This is ego-lite, a free browser built so your AI agents can run web automation with your real logins in their own workspace without ever touching your tabs. It just hit the GitHub trending page, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly what it does, why it's fast, and the one catch almost nobody mentions. ego-lite landed on GitHub in mid-April. 3 months later, it sits at 4,158 stars and 225 forks, with a trend shift trending badge and a release shipping almost every week. That kind of velocity usually means a project found a nerve. The nerve here. Every AI agent you run wants a browser, and right now they're all borrowing yours. It comes from CitroLabs, a small team out of Singapore whose entire bio reads the future of personal computing. 3 public repos, 1 clear obsession. The lead contributor has over 100 commits on this repo alone, and the changelog shows 13 releases since the start of June. Small team, serious shipping cadence. Here's the core idea in motion, straight from their own demo. You keep browsing up front. Your agent gets its own space, an isolated workspace inside the same browser with full access to your cookies, sessions, and extensions. Tell Claude Code to enrich 10 leads and it opens 10 parallel spaces. Point Codex at 5 competitor sites at the same time. Nothing collides, nothing steals focus, and your mouse stays exactly where you left it. You can watch any space live, take it over, or stop it whenever you want. No second browser profile, no login dance, no remote sandbox that gets blocked the moment a site sees a data center IP. Setup is 2 paths. Download the Mac app or add the Ego browser skill straight from the repo with npx. On first launch, it asks exactly one question. Migrate your Chrome data, say yes, and your agent inherits your logins, cookies, extensions, and bookmarks. Then, in any agent CLI, type Ego browser and describe the task in plain language. The agent takes a semantic snapshot of the page, then writes 1 JavaScript snippet that fills, clicks, waits, and navigates, and runs it in a single pass. No more call a tool, squint at the result, call another tool 20 times per task. Think about what browser automation looks like today. A framework spins up a bare Chromium with no history and no logins. So the first thing your agent hits is a sign-in wall, and the second is a CAPTCHA. And while it works, it owns your screen. ego-lite flips that model. The agent works in the background with your real sessions. You keep the foreground, and parallel tasks just mean parallel spaces. Same machine, same browser. 0 fights. Under the hood, the speed claims come from 2 design calls. First, everything the browser exposes is a JavaScript function the agent calls directly. Codebase, not CLI base, so a multi-step task compiles into 1 script instead of 20 round trips. Second, kernel-level Chromium customization produces what CitroLabs calls the strongest page snapshot on the market. A compressed semantic view of the page that survives nightmare cases like deeply nested iframes. In their benchmark against Vercel's agent browser, complex tasks finished up to 2.5x faster on substantially fewer tokens. And the harder the task, the bigger the gap. There's also an experience system on the roadmap that distills successful runs into reusable skills, claiming repeat tasks up to 5x faster. That one is still marked coming soon, so file it under promises. Stack it against the field and the split is clean. Browser use and Vercel's agent browser are libraries. Powerful, but they need a separate browser to drive, and your logins rarely carry over cleanly. ChatGPT Atlas and Perplexity Comet ship a whole browser with an agent inside, but only their agent can drive it, and you're on their subscription. ego-lite is the only tool in its own comparison table that does both. A real daily browser. Drivable by whatever agent you already use. It is their table, so grain of salt, but the architecture argument holds up. Momentum check. 4,558 stars, 225 forks, 13 releases in the last 8 weeks, and commits pushed the same day I recorded this. 42 open issues, which for a browser at this stage reads as healthy triage, not neglect. This is what an actively maintained project looks like in its first quarter. Now, the catch I promised. 3 things before you go all in. First, it's macOS only right now. Windows and Linux are on the roadmap, but today the download button says Mac. Second, read the license line carefully. The MIT license covers this repository, which is the skill and connection layer. The browser itself is a separate download, free but not open source. If you came for a fully open Chromium fork, this isn't quite that. And third, it's 3 months old. The pace is impressive, but expect breaking changes between releases. On the plus side, browsing data stays on your device, and the only thing recorded is whether you opted into Chrome migration during setup. If you run Claude Code, Codex, or Cursor every day, ego-lite is one of the most practical quality of life upgrades to come out of the agent space this year, and the price is zero. The repo is linked in the description. Star it if it earns a slot in your stack, and tell me in the comments what you'd automate first. Subscribe for weekly finds like this one. See you in the next one.